How Pringles are made in factories. Pringles are a popular brand of potato chips known for their distinctive uniform shape and flavor. The production of Pringles in factories involves several steps, from the selection of raw materials to packaging. Here's an overview of how Pringles are made in factories. Potato selection. The production of Pringles begins with the careful selection of high-quality potatoes. These potatoes are typically sourced from local farms and suppliers known for producing potatoes that meet the specific requirements of Pringles production. The selection process focuses on choosing potatoes with the right size, shape, and starch content. Potatoes that are too large or too small may not be suitable for the production process, and those with excessive moisture content may be avoided as well. The goal is to ensure that the selected potatoes can provide the ideal raw material for creating the potato dough used to make Pringles. This initial step is crucial to maintaining the consistent quality and flavor of Pringles. Potato peeling and cutting. Potato peeling and cutting. Following the careful selection of high-quality potatoes, the next step in the Pringles production process involves potato peeling and cutting. The selected potatoes undergo thorough washing to remove any dirt or impurities present on the surface. Subsequently, the potatoes are mechanically peeled to eliminate the outer skin, leaving behind clean and peeled potatoes. Once peeled, the potatoes are precision cut into very thin slices using specialized cutting equipment. These thin slices are crucial for the creation of the potato-based dough, which is a fundamental component in forming the distinctive Pringles shape. The precision cutting ensures uniformity and consistency in the thickness of the potato slices, facilitating the production of a consistent dough that can be shaped into the iconic curved Pringles form. This stage sets the foundation for subsequent stages in the manufacturing process. Potato dough preparation. After the potatoes have been peeled and cut into thin slices, they are transformed into a potato-based dough, which is a key step in the Pringles manufacturing process. The sliced potatoes are mixed with water, wheat starch, and various other ingredients in large mixers. This combination of ingredients forms a dough-like substance that serves as the base material for creating the unique Pringles shape. The mixture is carefully blended to achieve a consistent texture and uniform distribution of ingredients. This dough is designed to have the right balance of moisture and starch content to facilitate shaping and cooking during subsequent steps in the production process. The potato dough is a critical element in achieving the distinctive Pringles texture and flavor. It allows for the creation of chips that are not only consistently shaped but also deliver the satisfying crunch and taste that consumers associate with Pringles. Once the dough is ready, it moves on to the shaping and cooking stages to further develop the familiar Pringles chip. Shaping. The shaping stage is a pivotal part of the Pringles production process, where the potato dough is transformed into the iconic curved shape that distinguishes Pringles from traditional potato chips. To achieve this unique shape, a specialized mold or cutting mechanism is employed. The potato dough, which is created by mixing sliced potatoes with water and other ingredients, is conveyed to the molding equipment. The mold is designed to cut the dough into uniform, curved shapes that resemble the well-known Pringles form. This precision shaping ensures that each chip is identical in shape and size, contributing to the consistent quality of Pringles. The shaped Pringles are then prepared for the cooking process, where they are either fried in vegetable oil or baked in ovens to remove moisture, develop the desired texture, and prepare them for flavoring. This shaping step is essential in maintaining the brand's unique appearance and crisp texture, which have made Pringles a favorite snack around the world. Cooking. Following the shaping process, the Pringles chips are ready for the cooking stage, a crucial step in their production. The aim of cooking is to remove moisture from the shaped dough, achieving the desired texture and crispness that Pringles are known for. The cooking method typically involves either frying the chips in vegetable oil or baking them in ovens. If the frying method is employed, the shaped Pringles are carefully immersed in hot vegetable oil. The oil serves to dehydrate the chips, reducing their moisture content and crisping them up. The chips are then monitored for the appropriate amount of time to achieve the desired texture without overcooking. Alternatively, some Pringles are baked rather than fried. Baking involves placing the shaped chips on trays and subjecting them to controlled heat in ovens. The baking process achieves a similar outcome by removing moisture and creating the desired texture. Regardless of the method used, precise control of cooking time and temperature is crucial to ensuring that the Pringles are uniformly cooked, providing the characteristic crunch that consumers expect. After cooking, the chips move on to the flavoring stage, where they are seasoned with various flavorings to create the diverse range of Pringles flavors available on the market. Flavoring. Flavoring is a crucial step in the production of Pringles as it imparts the distinctive taste that consumers associate with various Pringles flavors. After the chips have been cooked to achieve the desired texture and crispness, they are ready to receive their specific seasonings. Pringles come in a wide range of flavors, from classic ones like original and sour cream and onion to more exotic options. The flavoring process is where the unique taste of each variety is added. This is typically accomplished through a process of spraying or dusting the chips with a seasoning mixture. For spraying, the chips move on a conveyor belt, and as they pass through a chamber, a liquid seasoning mixture is evenly sprayed onto them. This method ensures an even distribution of flavor on each chip. Alternatively, dusting involves a dry seasoning mixture, gently applied to the chips using a rotating drum or a similar mechanism. The seasoning adheres to the chips, providing the desired flavor profile. Precision and consistency in the flavoring process are essential to ensuring that every Pringle chip has the correct taste, regardless of the flavor variant. This step allows Pringles to offer a diverse and appealing selection of flavors to cater to different consumer preferences. After flavoring, the chips are subjected to quality control checks to ensure that they meet the company's flavor and quality standards before packaging. Quality control. Throughout the entire production process at Pringles, stringent quality control measures are in place to ensure that every chip meets the company's high standards for taste, texture, appearance, and safety. Quality control is an ongoing and integral part of Pringles manufacturing, starting from the initial stages of potato selection and continuing until the final product is ready for packaging. Quality control professionals, often equipped with specialized tools and technology, continuously monitor various aspects of production. This includes checking the potatoes for any imperfections, ensuring consistent shaping and cooking of the chips, verifying the precise application of flavorings, and performing sensory evaluations to confirm that the chips meet the expected taste and crunch criteria. Additionally, product safety is of utmost importance. Quality control also involves monitoring for any potential contamination risks and verifying that the manufacturing processes meet safety and hygiene standards. Only after passing through these stringent quality control checks are the Pringles chips deemed ready for packaging. This commitment to quality and consistency has been a key factor in Pringles' success and reputation as a reliable and satisfying snack for consumers worldwide. Packaging. Once the Pringles are seasoned and inspected, they are conveyed to packaging lines. Pringles are typically packed in cylindrical cardboard containers or foil pouches, which help maintain their distinctive shape and protect them from breakage. Sealing and labeling. After the Pringles chips have successfully passed the quality control checks, they proceed to the final stages of the manufacturing process, which involves sealing and labeling for packaging. This step ensures that the products are securely contained and correctly identified for consumers. Sealing is a crucial part of the process to maintain the freshness and quality of the chips. The Pringles are carefully placed into their designated packaging, which typically includes the iconic cylindrical cardboard containers or foil pouches. The packaging is then securely sealed to protect the chips from exposure to air, moisture, and potential damage during transportation. Once sealed, the packaging is adorned with labels that provide essential product information. These labels include details such as the brand name, flavor, nutritional information, ingredients, best before date, and any other relevant information required by regulatory standards. The labeling also often features attractive graphics and branding elements to grab the attention of consumers. The packaging process is designed to ensure that the Pringles reach consumers in optimal condition, reflecting the quality and care put into their production. Sealing and labeling are the final steps that prepare the Pringles for distribution, making them ready to be shipped to retailers and eventually find their way to the hands of snack enthusiasts. Quality assurance. Quality assurance is the systematic process within Pringles production that focuses on maintaining and enhancing the overall quality and consistency of the snack chips. It involves a range of practices including quality control measures, standard adherence, and continuous monitoring to ensure that every Pringle chip aligns with the company's high standards for taste, texture, appearance, and safety. Quality assurance is an ongoing commitment to delivering a reliable and satisfying product to consumers, playing a pivotal role in Pringles' reputation as a trusted snack brand. It's important to note that Pringles are known for their consistent shape, which is achieved through a unique process involving the use of molds and a dough-like substance rather than traditional sliced potatoes. This distinctive manufacturing process helps ensure that every Pringle chip has the same shape and texture.